In the world of pulp and paper, every moving part matters. Behind the constant hum of machines and the rush of production lies something quieter, something often overlooked. The story your oil is trying to tell.
At Schroeder Industries, we helped a major manufacturer finally listen to that story, revealing exactly where their hydraulic and lubrication oil was going and why it mattered more than they realized. This is the story of insight, innovation, and a simple tool that changed the game.
The challenge? This manufacturer knew they were spending on oil, drums, totes, and bulk deliveries. But what they didn't know was where that oil actually went. Was it routine maintenance, hidden leaks, line breaks nobody reported? They couldn't answer those questions, not without data. And without data, every oil order was a shot in the dark.
They needed more than just a receipt for what they bought. They needed a way to track what was being used, by which machines, and under what conditions. And that's when they turned to Schroeder.
When it came time to take action, Schroeder introduced the HFS-15 handheld portable filter, a rugged, easy-to-use tool designed for precision in the field. Paired with an onboard mechanical rate and totalizer flow meter, the HFS-15 gave technicians real-time data on oil flow, measuring fluid added to each asset after repairs, maintenance, or leaks.
With this approach, the paper manufacturer gained detailed insight on oil consumption for every piece of equipment, turning guesswork into actionable data. And the results were immediate and impressive. The HFS-15, paired with the flow meter, enabled tracking of fluid usage down to 1/10 of a gallon, a level of detail the manufacturer had never seen before. With this newfound clarity, the manufacturer could pinpoint inefficiencies, reduce waste, and optimize their oil purchasing, saving costs and improving overall system reliability.
This wasn't just about tracking oil, it was about transforming how the entire operation managed its resources.
With asset-level oil usage in focus, maintenance teams could finally align consumption with reality, bringing clarity to what was once hidden. No more over-ordering, no more chasing leaks in the dark, just clean, measurable data, leading to smarter decisions. And with that clarity came strategy. They weren't just saving money, they were evolving their maintenance philosophy, shifting from reactive to predictive, from inefficient to intentional.
When it comes to fluid management, insight isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. And at Schroeder Industries, we build tools that bring that insight to life. Schroeder Industries, keeping the world moving.